Stay tuned to see how I achieve this quick and easy style using clip-ins. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a half up, half down style using some clip-ins that I received from Close Culture. Stay tuned. These are the kinky curly clip-ins in the length 14-inch and the color 1B27, and I did get 2 packs. Each bundle is a full set which comes with 12 pieces. The hair can be washed, it can be styled in a blowout, a twist out, you can curl the hair. It is 100% human hair. The hair is already dyed and color treated. These clip-ins are bomb. So I do have several clip-in tutorials. I'll link one above where I go into great detail, but with clip-ins, they're very easy to install. You open the clip, you secure it on your hair, you close the clip up, and that is it. So right now I'm just going through and separating the curls a little bit. The curls are beautifully defined, but I'm going for a more fuller look, so I'm just going in and separating the curls before I install. So here I am applying the second clip-in, and I just realized that I did not separate the curls before installing this clip-in. So I am going to go through and separate the curls before continuing on. So a little bit about these clip-ins. They come in 3 different textures. There is the Afro coily clip-ins, the kinky curly clip-ins, which I have here, and then the wavy clip-ins. These clip-ins also come in 7 different colors. There is the color 1B, 35, there's a 1B/35, 1B99J, a 1B blue, 1B purple, 1B27, and 1B33. And I can't wait to try all of these colors out, so stay tuned. So Close Culture is a small Black-owned business that you definitely should support. In addition to these clip-ins that they offer, they do have some really cute t-shirts and hoodies as well. So I finished the back portion of my hair, and these clip-ins are very nice and full. I am going to go in and do some 2-strand twists just to help blend my leave out. And the product that I'm using to twist my hair is the Theravada Curl Slayer. I will also leave information for this product in the description box. So now that the back is all twisted, I'm going to move on to the front of my hair, where I am going to be creating a faux bun using the clip-ins. So I'm going through and just separating the curls again before applying them to my ponytail. Finally got this bun together, so let's move on to taking down these twists. And as you can see, these clip-ins are blending well with my natural hair, so I'm definitely loving that. And here is my finished look. Cute, simple, easy style using my clip-ins. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you would try these colored clip-ins and if you'd rock this style. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.